Oh, ski, goddamn. Can I ask you a question? Okay. How can I be like you? You're not ready. I didn't get your name. Southern Hawk. Welcome to Messing with Snacks. My name is Southern Hawk, and today I'm going to show you how to make some of my hawk guac. First, you're going to need a ripe avocado. Otherwise, you're just going to fuck up the whole batch.
What do you want?
I want you to be my sensei.
You get one shot.
Okay, I won't let you down.
Don't make me regret this.
Okay. It's so awkward.
You with me? What was that?
I didn't.
First of all, your form sucks. Second of all, you have to start taking this more seriously. I don't have time to be with. If you're gonna fuck with me, then I have better things to do than mess around with you. Like be there for my unborn child. Don't ask me which one.
I got so much goddamn respect for you right now.
You're even worse than I thought. It's time for the final test. Son of a bitch!
What about the final test?
There is no fucking final test! The final test is for you to preoccupy me while I'm going through my fucking divorce! Don't ask me which one.
What about the training?
My ankle's fucking busted, man! There is no training!
So you're saying the Southern Hawk was in me all along and now you're ready to pass the torch?
No!
Some men were meant to walk, some even run, but I was meant to fly.
I am the Southern Hawk.